Hello guys! In this video I am going to show you how to change the color scheme in the Moodle application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. Click on the general button. And here you can see the color scheme line. So just click on the little arrow, black arrow. And you can choose light, dark and the system default. So let's just change the color to dark. And here you can see that the app is now in a dark mode. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.